Thank you so much for joining. Today we are looking into the NEC Clause 10.1. This clause sets the foundation for all other clauses within the NEC framework. Clause 10.1 emphasizes collaboration among the employer, the contractor, the project manager, and the supervisor. It encourages all parties to work together to ensure the project's success. Let's break down the roles. The employer's goal is to have a completed project that meets all the requirements in the works information. The contractor aims to finish the work while maintaining the desired profit margins. They also seek to build a lasting professional relationship with the employer for future projects. The project manager has an important role in ensuring the contractor adheres to the works information. They monitor the project schedule and the cost, issuing instructions to amend the works information when necessary. The supervisor focuses on testing and defects, ensuring that all works meet quality standards. Their oversight is essential for delivering a successful project. A key takeaway from Clause 10.1 is to resolve issues internally before involving third parties. This approach fosters a cooperative environment and helps maintain relationships. Dispute Resolution Clause W1 or W2 will be activated for an independent adjudicator to intervene where the parties have a disagreement. The role of the adjudicator would be to give the parties a way forward on the matter. In conclusion, understanding Clause 10.1 is essential for all parties involved. By fostering cooperation and resolving issues internally, everyone can contribute to a successful project outcome. Thank you, and reminder to subscribe